Hello and welcome to the PSS program. This is the 11th episode on how to enter data into rediCASE. Step 11. How to enter admin and non-clinical notes. Log on to rediCASE. On the Search Received Referral page, click on the Details tab of the referral you wish to add an admin or non-clinical note to. If you wish to enter an admin note, click on the Add Admin Note button on the Actions page of the referral. Enter your note and click Save Referral Note on the top right corner of the pop-up page. To check if the note has been saved correctly, click on the Notes tab of the referral page to see. If you wish to enter a non-clinical activity, click on the Non-Clinical Activity button on the Actions page of the referral. Enter the details of the non-clinical activity and click Save on the bottom right corner of the pop-up page. To check if the non-clinical activity has been saved correctly, click on the Non-Clinical tab of the referral page to see. Once you have confirmed all notes and non-clinical activities have been recorded correctly, you can now exit the client file.